Hey! Who put all these eggs out here? Oh my goodness!
I'd be a little disappointed.
There's nothing in the eggs, honey. We're just finding them. Okay? We just got to gather them all up. Our treats are already inside.
Hey, Birdie. I found a blue one.
Good job. Okay, keep looking.
There's something over here.
Keep trying.
I do.
Nice dip off. Flip your draws, boy.
You keep trying to see if there's anything in them. I know.
I keep seeing them.
There's nothing inside, honey. It's just fun for us to find them.
Found this. I got found more right there. There's more.
Oh my goodness, in the bushes?
There's more. The little one is the bushes. Break them off.
You're breaking them up? You gonna cook for us when we go inside?
I can cook them up when we go outside. There's more on this side. There's more on the big rock. Oh, yeah. Wow. I will come back, Mommy.
Okay, honey. Yeah. Hold on.
I got cocoa, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, the tree scared me.
The tree's getting you? Wait, I think there's still one on the rock over there. What color's that one?
Green. That one's green. There's something over here. Hold on. There are the eggs.
We're going to have to get you a belt for your shorts. That tree's getting you too? Oh my goodness, this is great. Do you like finding eggs that the Easter Bunny hides? This is a great happy Easter, huh? Anthony. There's more. Show the egg to everybody on the movie. Show it to them. Show your eggs.